Hi, my name is Jackie. I'm at Arkana in the Sacred Valley, and I'm finishing up the 7-day retreat. And it has been exactly the experience that I needed. I came to Arkana because I'm a first-time single mom to twins. My babies are 19 months, a year and a half, and it has been an extremely difficult experience for me. And I'm very committed to personal growth and doing better. So the pressure of my life and being by myself, I went through my pregnancy by myself, which was really hard for me. And I developed this block in my heart. I kind of feel like I had to put my feelings aside in order to focus on being a mom and doing that to the best of my ability. So I had this block between my mind and my body and my heart. And that's really why I came here, because all the work that I was doing on my own was great, but it wasn't, I feel like I needed something physical to take me to where I was trying to go. My experience here, I started out struggling and fighting a little bit because this is a difficult process. My first ceremony didn't go as I thought it would. I could feel the blockage here in my body, like during ceremony, and I was like, okay, like it's supposed to fix it, like it's all just gonna magically be fine. But I spent the ceremony fighting with my body, and I was very upset after, and I cried. And going into the second day, I had a similar experience, but a little bit more progress. Still not what I was hoping for or the feeling that I needed. But I was taking from it. I was like, I came all the way here, which shows that I'm committed to what I'm doing. So regardless of what happens, it's going to be fine. Trusting in the facilitators and the maestras was helpful for me. I'm like, however the week ends is making the effort to come down here. I'm going to take from it what I need. So I kind of just let go of my expectations. I participated in the toad ceremony, and that's actually what started to change my experience around. I had a reaction that was what I would have expected from the ayahuasca. A lot of physical reaction. It was nice. The facilitators were there to make sure I was okay, because I was like, am I okay or am I not okay? Like, falling into a feeling like that was hard for a control freak like me. But I got through it, and I felt a release all over my body. Everything that I've been carrying, all the stress and sadness that I locked up and wasn't able to access anymore, it all left my body. And I felt a lot of clarity here, and my throat opened up, and my breath, I could feel my breath better than I've ever felt it that I can remember. So a huge sense of relief came after that. And then it was time for the final ayahuasca ceremony, and it was a completely different experience. I didn't have the block. I didn't have the block in the ceremony, and my body was able to release everything left over that it still needed to release. And listening to the Icaros helped me along, and I was fine. And I had a very positive and just okay experience. I feel like I knew that why I came here had all come to fruition, and I'm so glad that I stuck with it. I'm so glad that I didn't give up. I'm so glad that the people who work here were so patient with me, and I'm very excited to go back to my life, to go home and be a mom without the extra weight. I just feel ready for my life, and I'm extremely grateful to Arkana.